Hey everybody, welcome to today's episode of LT Outdoors. Today I'm out actually at an old farm property I got permission to dig, and I guess from what I was told it was a dairy farm back in the 1940s, so there's a good chance for some old stuff here, and before then it was also something, so it's hard telling how far back this place goes, but yeah, I'm pretty excited. I guess this area here, there was a barn that was just torn down and spread all over the place, so there's bound to be some neat things laying around. Got lots of farm animals too to keep me company, so stay tuned. Hopefully we find some good stuff, guys. Right off the bat, I'm getting a pretty good copper tone in here. Like I said, there used to be a dairy farm here, so honestly, I got no idea what we might find today. I get real excited with these old properties like this. Man, look at all that manure. Oh, it's right there. Not sure what that's off of. I've seen these before though. Oh, pretty cool. Hey kitty. She's a crazy kitty. She was following me around yesterday. I'll have to get that cleaned up when I get home. This one's kind of bouncing all around. Now we are near electric fences, which I pointed out once before on another episode. The electric fences make the metal detector kind of go crazy. It's gonna randomly beep from that. Stuff all over the place. Oh, would you look at that? I think this is actually an old, I think it's a piece of an old cowbell maybe. Ain't that something? Huh. I don't know. I'll have to get it cleaned up at home, but I'm pretty sure that's part of an old cowbell maybe. That's a cool find. Getting another hit right here. Maybe it's more of the hose. I doubt it. I already got the connector from the hose, so I don't think that's what it would be. Oh, what is that? That might be part of an old buckle. That's kind of what it looks like, maybe. Might be part of a buckle. I don't know. I'll have to clean that up. That's pretty cool looking, though. Wow. Getting something marking here. Ah, I didn't know all these little cows were in with them. Look at them cute little things. In there with the sheep. Hey, kitty. Hard to keep focus with all these cute animals. Right there. Yep, just a piece of can, another piece of junk. I've got quite the bit of viewers here. Got all these guys, I got a horse, of course the cat, and a whole bunch of cows. Hitting something right here. Oh. Bullet casing. 30-06. Cool. This is all over the place. Sometimes it can be pretty interesting. Yeah, something big. Something real big, I think. Well, piece of a fence post. Yep. Yeah, something different anyway. Well, this is ringing up pop tab, but always best to check, especially in these random areas. Nope. Bet you that's what it was. Another bullet. Looks like 35. Not gonna lie, it's a little unnerving being around that much horn. Yeah, my friends own this though, and they said that they were really friendly, so I'm not too worried about it. Besides, if they charge me, I'd just get them in a chokehold, right? Ah, it's in the sidewall. Got this horse here laughing at me. Especially laughing because it's his pop tab, huh? You knew that. Hey, ponies. Hey, buddy. You're so pretty. You're so pretty. You want to say hi too? Huh? Hi, pony. Hey, babies. You got jealousy coming in here? Saying, oh, I want some of this. Hey, guys. Hey, babies. Hi, Mama. You got such a pretty baby. Yeah, she's cute. Well, that's kind of neat. Not sure what that's off of. Might be off a compass. I see it had hinges right there. Huh, that's cool. Well, what do you know? I bet you that's part of that piece I just found. And I think that is from a compass. That's pretty awesome. I'll have to clean that up. Cool. That is my, I mean, this one's not a double, but that is my 5th, I think, this year axe blade. This one's seen better days, but sweet. Geez. A lot of metal on this ground. Don't know what that's off of either. Interesting. I'm gonna assume that's a piece of whatever I just found, because it looks just like it. Cool. Yeah, I'm gonna have to clean this stuff up. square nail. Yep, whatever we're marking is deeper. Oh, another one of those. So that's like 3 pieces now to that. Well, oh, that's a nice little square nail. I don't think that was ever even used. I always like finding them. Square nails mean history. Ooh. Got something big here. Oh boy. I gotta be careful with this. This looks really cool. It's got glass in it. Hope you guys can see that. It's got glass in it, so I gotta be really careful. I don't know if it's an old lamp. Oh man. It's always scary when you know you're digging something fragile. Don't want to break it. Oh, I'm hitting more of it here. Huh. Ain't this something? It's got all kinds of stuff to it. I really don't know what it is. Unless it's a valve of some kind. Man, that is neat. I just love finding old things like this. This is very cool. Wow. Ain't that something, guys? Yeah, I'm gonna have to clean that up. Alright, I think this will have to be the last find today, guys. I said I'd be home a while ago. I mean, I ain't been very long. This was mostly just a test run. And as you can see, there's metal everywhere. I can't set that darn pinpointer down without it going haywire. But yeah, so this is definitely a good spot. The owner told me there'd be a lot of metal and stuff here from the old barn that used to be here. So I was pretty excited to see what I might find. Wow. Another oddball. Yeah, shush it. Yeah, this is kind of a neat one. Oh, I got quite a few little things to clean up when I get home. Lots of random stuff. This might even go to that weird valve thing I found. But anyways, I wanted to thank all you guys for tuning into today's episode. This will be a to be continued because I look forward to hunting here again. This obviously ain't been done before. There's all kinds of stuff. So yeah, stay tuned, guys. This will be another episode. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, and share.